Hi guys, my name's Dean. Welcome to my channel D-Rex. Today I will be showing you how to unlock the PACHYCEPHALOSAURUS in Jurassic World, the Lego game. So I'm just going to get to the level stage, past all these levels. So nearly there. So yeah, here we are. So you need to complete this San Diego docks to complete it and then do it again, because then you'll unlock all the then you can get like all the characters onto it.
Oh my word, did you?
Gonna skip this. So with 2 characters right now. So we're gonna need Ian Malcolm, and then we can get to the ladder. Then we come up here, destroy this box, build the ladder, this ladder, get up and then get into the crane, and just drag it to the side. Then when you're done that, you can come all the way down, and then I'll pause this bit.
You can't be here. This is private property.
Then you can just punch these things. Okay. Then you're gonna need an agile person. So then you jump, get up, punch them, guards. Then you're going to need to build this bit, trampoline.
I don't understand where the crew got to.
Then when you're done that, you need to come back here. Then you're going to need to put in the code. So those are 3 signs. You just put them in again in order. Then this place will open up. Then you come over here. Then we're going to need this guy. Now you just hold. You need to hold the expander button. Then in here would be the amber pestle to the PACHYCEPHALOSAURUS. So that's it guys. How to unlock the PACHYCEPHALOSAURUS in Jurassic World, the Lego game. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and games. I'll be posting another video soon. Bye bye.